If you want to unsubscribe from GoDaddy emails and stop receiving promotional messages, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. By the end, you'll know how to update your contact preferences, turn off marketing emails, and make sure your inbox is a little less cluttered. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Use the same email and password you normally use for your GoDaddy services, then wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're logged in, look to the top corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account-related settings, so it's the first place you need to go. After clicking the profile icon, choose Account Settings from the menu. This will open your main account preferences and give you access to the communication options linked to your account. Next, find and click Contact Preferences. This section controls the types of emails GoDaddy sends you, including promotional messages, updates, and marketing notifications. Once you're inside Contact Preferences, look for the email option and uncheck Promotional emails. This step is the key part of unsubscribing from marketing messages. Depending on what you see on your screen, you may have different communication categories available, but the goal is the same. Turn off the promotional content you no longer want to receive. Take a moment to review the other email preference options as well, just to make sure you're only keeping the notifications that matter to you. After you've made your changes, click Save Contact Preferences. This confirms your selection and applies the update to your GoDaddy account. If the page refreshes or shows a confirmation message, that means your preferences have been saved successfully. From this point on, GoDaddy should stop sending you those promotional emails you unchecked. If you still receive a few messages for a short time after changing the setting, that can happen while the system updates your preferences, so give it a little time. And that's it. You've now unsubscribed from GoDaddy promotional emails by updating your contact preferences. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it's a great way to keep your inbox organized. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.